which is based in Jakkur in Bangalore city.
Welcome, friends to your channel Unstoppable Digital Traveling Oxygen for Life. In our earlier episode, friends, we have visited Model Village Park, which is based in Jakkur in Bangalore city, where there is a chance for urbanites to experience a rural slice of the life at this beautifully crafted museum, friends. And today in our part 2 episode, we are going to continue and show you the outside world of the village life. Stay with us till the end to check out all the details for yourself. Friends, look, we are inside a room where babies are given oil massage from grandmother. Oil massaging, by the way, friends, of the newborn has been a custom in India for ages. Variety of oils could be used for the purpose. Sometimes simple coconut oil is also used for massaging before bath is given to baby. Recently it has also gained popularity in the western countries as well. The benefit of touch and massage therapy is very much evidence based. Reviews suggested that, friends, massage has several beneficial effects in form of baby's weight gain, better sleep pattern, more neuromotor development, emotional bonding, and lower rates of nosocomial infection in the neonates and in the babies. This kind of oil massage is more useful than just simple touch therapy, friends. And this is oilman's house, friends, where they are busy extracting the oil from the manual oil mills. This also reminds us the time when postmen used to come and hand over the letter to us, and we could read the letter from our far staying family and friends.
Dimpy, look here. What is this? Yes. Did you like what you see?
This is a toyman's house, friends, where they're busy making the toys. Jewel was very excited, such a big area to explore, and she could see all these sculptures in front of her, very curious to see all of that, and she understood that is something to look for and enjoy here, friends, and something different from her usual toys and what we give her for playing. This is the artistic form of the Kurg house, friends, where the dressings are different from usual Karnataka side, how the dressing would be. typical school in the village, friends, where children come and study in the school and then go back home.
How are you liking this place?
Amazing. You should come here to experience the same.
Yes.
Very calm, composed, and wonderful place to be with your kids.
People in the village are quite hardworking, friends. We believe that in cities we do lot of work, but that is not true. As you can see, they have more physical activity. They work outside, they work along with the animals, they do the farming, and they carry lot of stuffs, which you can see here as well, friends. Who needs a gym, friends, if you are involved in such farming activities in the village, friends, isn't it? This is a village fair, friends, which happens usually weekly once, and all the items, different vegetables, different goods, and sometimes even animals are also sold in this type of fair, friends, which you can see. This kind of wrestling competitions, which is also known as dangal or kusti, friends, are held in villages, and many people gather to witness this activity, friends. In this room, variety of dance form, art, and the designer costumes we could find, friends, which can be used in different stage shows that is performed in the village, friends. Friends, do you know what is this? This is Kambala, or a buffalo race, the event which is popular in coastal Karnataka district. It's a spectacular sport and entertainment event for villager, and it is equally popular with the tourists and the photographers, friends. In these, buffalo owners and the farmers in this region take great care of their buffalo, which are well fed, oiled and nurtured for the race. In fact, in Kambala, friends, they will be raced in pairs during a Kambala buffalo race event, which is held together with ropes and plows. Unfortunate for the animals, but the best of Kambala buffaloes can cover 140 meter of racetrack, in fact, in less than 12 seconds. Honorable Supreme Court of India has issued several guidelines to ensure Kambala buffaloes are not harmed, tortured or ill-treated, friends. So care is taken for this purpose, friends. This festival is celebrated in the month of November and lasts till March, friends. You know, in this race, both farmers and the buffaloes may suffer serious injuries, including fracture of bones, and therefore organizers have to really take care of this kind of activities and keep ambulance and veterinary doctor ready at the site of festival for immediate control of the situations and provide emergency medical help. This festival involves high-speed races of buffaloes in front of several thousand visitors, and it's a form of entertainment here, friends. So that was our end of the model village tour, friends. Let us know how did you like and enjoyed this tour. In case if you cannot visit personally, you can always check out our part 1 and part 2 episode, which is a complete coverage of the model village in Bangalore city, friends. And now look at the impact it had on the baby, friends. Jewel thought there's a squirrel sculpture, but the moment she went there, the squirrel ran away and she realized it is real and not sculpture, friends.